Have you ever wondered if this is all real? Is the world we see, touch, and experience truly what it seems? What if our universe, with its stars and galaxies, is just a simulation? Imagine everything we know, from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, being part of an elaborate digital construct. It sounds like science fiction. But some scientists and philosophers are taking this idea seriously. They argue that if advanced civilizations could create such simulations, we might be living in one right now. Could we be living inside a giant computer program, unaware of the true nature of reality? This concept, known as the simulation hypothesis, suggests that our entire existence could be an artificial construct.
The idea that we're living in a simulation is a mind-bending concept. It forces us to question the very fabric of our reality and our place within it. It challenges everything we think we know about the world around us. If we are in a simulation, what does that mean for our understanding of life, consciousness, and the universe itself? But the more we learn about the universe and the nature of reality, the more plausible this idea becomes. Advances in technology and our understanding of quantum mechanics are opening new doors to these possibilities. What if everything we experience is just data, processed by some incredibly advanced computer? Every sensation, every thought, every emotion could be the result of complex algorithms. It's a question that has no easy answers, but it's a question worth asking. Exploring this idea can lead to profound insights about our existence and the nature of reality. Let's explore the evidence and see where it leads us. By examining the clues and theories, we might uncover truths that challenge our deepest assumptions about the universe.
Think about how far technology has come. From the early days of simple calculators and basic computing machines, we have now entered an era where technology is an integral part of our daily lives. Computers are getting faster and more powerful all the time. Every year we see new advancements that push the boundaries of what is possible. Moore's law states that computer processing power doubles roughly every 2 years. This exponential growth has led to incredible innovations and capabilities that were once thought to be science fiction. This means that computers in the future could be millions of times more powerful than they are today. Imagine the possibilities that such power could unlock, from solving complex scientific problems to creating entirely new forms of entertainment.
Imagine a future where computers can create entire universes in their digital minds. These digital realms could be as vast and varied as our own universe, with endless possibilities for exploration and discovery. These simulations could be so detailed that the simulated beings inside wouldn't even know they were living in a computer program. They would have their own thoughts, emotions, and experiences just like us. They would think their world was real, just like we do. The line between reality and simulation would blur, raising profound questions about the nature of existence and consciousness.
If we continue on this path of technological advancement, the future holds limitless potential. We could see the creation of digital worlds that are indistinguishable from our own. It's not unreasonable to think that we could one day create such simulations ourselves. These digital universes could serve as new frontiers for human creativity and innovation. And if we can create them, couldn't a more advanced civilization have already done so? This thought opens up a fascinating possibility that we might be living in a simulation created by beings far more advanced than ourselves. The journey of technological progress is just beginning, and the future is full of endless possibilities.
Now, let's look at the universe itself. The laws of physics, which govern everything from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, are remarkably consistent and precise. They seem to follow a set of rules, like a computer program.
Some physicists have pointed out that the fundamental constants of the universe, like the speed of light or the gravitational constant, seem fine-tuned for life to exist. If these constants were even slightly different, our universe would be a very different place, and life as we know it might not be possible. Is this fine-tuning just a coincidence, or could it be evidence that our universe was designed, perhaps as a simulation? It's a question that has puzzled scientists and philosophers for centuries.
Have you ever experienced déjà vu, that eerie feeling that you've been somewhere or done something before, even though you know you haven't? What about the Mandela effect, where large groups of people have different memories of the same event?
Some people believe these phenomena could be glitches in the simulation, like errors in a computer program. These glitches might be rare, but they could provide clues that something isn't quite right with our reality. Of course, there are other explanations for these experiences. Our brains are complex organs, and our memories aren't always reliable. But the possibility that these glitches could be signs of a simulated reality is intriguing, to say the least. Section 5. Do we have free will in a simulation? The idea of living in a simulation raises some profound philosophical questions. If our universe is just a computer program, what does that mean for free will? Are our choices predetermined by the code of the simulation? Do we have any real control over our lives, or are we just following a script?
These questions have puzzled philosophers for centuries, and the possibility of a simulated reality adds a whole new layer of complexity. If our actions are predetermined, what does that say about morality and responsibility? These are questions that we may never be able to answer definitively, but they are questions that force us to confront the fundamental nature of our existence. Section 6. The purpose of it all. Why simulate a universe? What could be the reason behind such an endeavor? If our universe is a simulation, the next question is why? What drives this simulation? Why would someone create a simulated universe like ours? What could be the ultimate goal?
Perhaps it's a scientific experiment, a way for an advanced civilization to study the universe and its intricate workings, and its possibilities. Maybe it's a form of entertainment, a giant, complex video game for some super-intelligent beings, a way to pass time. Or perhaps the reason is something we can't even begin to imagine, something beyond our comprehension. The possibilities are endless, and that's part of what makes this idea so fascinating and intriguing.
So, how do we find out if we're living in a simulation? This question has intrigued scientists, philosophers, and thinkers for decades. The idea that our reality might be an elaborate computer simulation created by an advanced civilization is both fascinating and unsettling. It's a difficult question, and there may not be any easy answers. The concept challenges our understanding of existence and reality itself. If we are indeed living in a simulation, it raises profound questions about the nature of consciousness and the limits of human knowledge. Some scientists believe that we might be able to find clues by looking for patterns in the universe, subtle anomalies that could reveal the underlying code of the simulation. These patterns might be hidden in the cosmic microwave background radiation or in the behavior of subatomic particles.
Others believe that the very act of searching for these clues could be what tips off our simulators to our existence. If we start to uncover the truth, the creators of the simulation might intervene, either to prevent us from discovering the reality or to alter the simulation in ways we cannot predict. It's a risky proposition, but the potential rewards, in terms of understanding the true nature of reality, are immense. Discovering that we live in a simulation could revolutionize our understanding of physics, technology, and even our place in the universe. The search for answers is what drives scientific discovery. It's the relentless pursuit of knowledge that has led humanity to explore the farthest reaches of space and the deepest mysteries of the quantum world. Whether or not we ever prove or disprove the simulation hypothesis, the journey itself will undoubtedly lead to new insights and discoveries about the universe we live in. The quest to understand our reality is a testament to human curiosity and our unending desire to seek the truth. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep looking up. The universe is vast and full of wonders just waiting to be uncovered. The journey of discovery is just beginning.